Why organize your notes digitally?
Organizing your notes with digital apps makes studying easier and more effective. Digital tools allow you to search, rearrange, and update notes quickly. You can access your content anywhere, keep everything tidy, and never lose track of important information. Whether you're a student or a professional, using digital apps for notes streamlines your workflow and boosts your productivity.
Choosing the right app for your needs.
Some popular digital note-taking apps include OneNote, Evernote, Notion, and Google Keep. Consider your needs. Do you want to handwrite, record audio, or organize with folders and tags? Some apps offer powerful search and organization features, while others keep things simple. Try a few options to see which fits your learning style and daily routine best.
Setting up an effective organization system.
Create a clear structure from the start. Make notebooks or folders for each subject or project. Within them, use individual notes for specific topics, lectures, or meetings. Take advantage of tags, headings, or color coding to sort information. Organizing as you go helps you find what you need quickly, making revisions stress-free.
Best practices for taking and revising digital notes.
Summarize information in your own words and highlight key points. Use bullet points, checklists, and images to make notes easy to review. After class or meetings, revise quickly. Add clarifications, reorganize details, or link related notes. Regularly reviewing and updating your digital notes ensures the material stays fresh in your mind.
Integrating tools and staying consistent.
Combine features like reminders, cloud sync, or handwriting support to suit your habits. Set regular times to review and update your notes. Using the same app across devices keeps everything accessible and organized. Consistency is key. Organize and revise notes often, and your digital system will help you learn more efficiently.